Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, Visa Bulletin for December 2024. Upcoming na for employment base and family sponsored preference. So, we will see guys kung anong magiging new cut-off date nitong dala ng December 2024 Visa Bulletin. So, ito nga ay part na ng fiscal year 2025. So, this is the third month for fiscal year 2025, but unfortunately for the last month, November 2024, there is no movement from previous October 2024 cut-off date for the employment based preference. At the same time for the family sponsored also, so there is no movement from this fiscal year 2025 since it was started from October 2024. But anyway, wala tayong magagawa kundi nga talaga ay maghintay na lang tayo kung ano yung official result i-publish ngayong darating na December 2024 Visa Bulletin. At syempre guys, yun nga, meron ding parating na US presidential election this month of November 2024. So we don't know if this presidential election can affect the movement of the Visa Bulletin. So kung mapapansin nga natin, habang parating na yung eleksyon ay walang movement start from October and November 2024, fiscal year 2025, so wala siyang movement. So anyway, kung sino mang manalo, hopefully na magbigay siya ng magandang cut-off date sa mga succeeding months with regards to legal immigrants. So if we talk about legal immigrants guys, spark the employment-based preference. So this is a legal immigrant that you need to live and work in the US. So this is the record for fiscal year 2025. So first is the October 2024 and the second month is the November 2024. So same yan guys, no? So wala siyang movement. For employment-based preference. Cut-off date niya is November 15, 2022. And dito naman sa fiscal year 2025, for the month of November 2024, so this is the list of the category for family sponsored, F1 to F4, and this is the cut-off date for Philippines. So that's all guys, ayun lang yung may present natin sa ngayon. Nire-review lang natin yung mga previous history at previous record, but still the fiscal year 2025 ay hindi pa siya nag-move from October and November Visa Bulletin 2024. So muli guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood dito sa aking channel. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye!